Uttar Pradesh's Love Jihad law in effect from 28 November 2020. Governor clears ordinance. The Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religious Ordinance 2020 comes into effect immediately across the state. Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel on Saturday gave her assent to an ordinance promulgated by the state government against forcible or dishonest religious conversions. The Uttar Pradesh cabinet had cleared the ordinance earlier this week to check unlawful religious conversions and interfaith marriages with the sole intention of changing a girl's religion. Love jihad is a conspiracy theory used by right-wing groups who accuse Muslim men of converting Hindu women by marriage. The UP Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religious Ordinance 2020 was approved by the state's Adityanath-led Bharatiya Janata Party government on Tuesday. State Cabinet Minister Siddharth Nath Singh had said that it provides for a jail term of 1 to 5 years with a penalty of Rs 15,000 for forceful religious conversion. Concept of Love Jihad law. Recently, the Indian society and several state governments have shown concerns about enacting proper law to stop marriage, which they refer to a love jihad, etc. All about the fundamental requirement under this act for a valid marriage is the free consent of both parties. And if both parties to the marriage are willing to marry each other, that's enough. Caste, religion, race, etc. is not restriction. Current action. The proposed Uttar Pradesh ordinance seeking to prohibit unlawful religious conversion represents a regressive march towards unacceptable medievalism and a reprehensive real to police the private lives and beliefs of citizens. The ostensible reason for bringing in such a law seems to be that the honor of Hindu women is under threat from zealous Muslim youth seeking to win over girls from other communities for religious conversion in the name of love and marriage, and whenever apparently inspired by similar legislation in the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. It has sought to include alluring into marriage as an additional ground for declaring an instant of religious conversion as illegal apart from the use of force, rape, the influences and deceit. The government of Uttar Pradesh proposal envisages prison terms from 1 to 5 years, in general 3 to 5 years for conversion involving women including SC and ST, all members, and add a possible 3 to 10 years jail term for massive conversion. Here are also a prior declaration provision on an intended conversion, and all suggestions were contained in a report of the UP State Law Commission submitted last year. The next provision on mandatory prior declaration of an intent to convert is similar to the one struck down by the Himachal Pradesh High Court in 2012 as violating the right to keep one's faith a secret. First, as per the government of Uttar Pradesh declared a draft ordinance against forcefully love jihad or interfaith conversion amid similar steps by the other states. There is a sense that the law would be implemented more vigorously in Uttar Pradesh than in any other state, and the problem of love jihad has been UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's agenda even before he became the Chief Minister of UP and considered close to his ears. UP has never shied away from being vocal about it. Second, the Uttar Pradesh cabinet cleared the proposed law and defines punishment and fine under the three heads. Third, according to the new proposed law, anyone wanting to convert into another religion would have to give it in writing to the district magistrate at least 2 months in advance. Fourth, under the new amendment, it would be the responsibility of the one going for the religious conversion to prove that it's not taking place forcefully or with any fraudulent means. On that case, about any violation is found under this provision, then one faces a jail term from 6 months to 3 years and fine including of minimum is 10,000 rupees. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.